Okay, it's time to get started unrolling this leather and matching up the sides. And a lot of times I'll save this hard wrapping paper right here. I save this to use it for patterns sometimes. I'll like trim the edges off and roll it up and keep it, and it's good pattern paper. Okay, here we go. That smells good. I like the smell of that when I first unrolled it. In the buffed and sanded 13 to 15 ounce saddle skirting. This is a russet saddle skirting. It takes two sides to cut a saddle out, but I always have a third side on hand just in case I need to cut out a pair of extra good stirrup leathers or kind of a go-to hide. Sometimes I have a little trouble nesting the parts where I can get everything out of two sides. If the hide's large enough, you can get your saddle out of a right and a left side. The reason I like a right and a left side is the way I cut the fenders and the seat jockey out. And I'll show you that in just a minute. I've got them grain side up on the bench. This is the right side and this is the left side. This is the butt end of the hide. And this other end down here is the neck end of the hide. That's the neck. The cowhide is split right down the middle of the back. And this is the belly right here. So now I'm going to flip it over on the other side, on the buff and sanded side. This is all rough out weighed saddle. And I'll lay the parts out. That belly will make a good cantle binding. The side on the bottom here will make a good fart cover. Be a good swell cover right there. Learn to feel around on the hide for evenness and firmness also. This butt end right here will be the seat jockey. On this other side, the fenders, skirts in the middle. And up in here, the rear housing on this side. Rear housing, jockey, skirts.